Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LastPass for account security and breach monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type LastPass and press enter. Click on the official LastPass website link. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started or Pricing button. Click on that button to explore the subscription options. Review the different plans available. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen a plan, click on the Sign Up or Get Started button associated with it. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong master password. Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided. After entering the details, click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox for an email from LastPass. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the LastPass website. Log into your account using your email and master password. Navigate to the account settings or subscription section. Locate the option for account security and breach monitoring. Enable breach monitoring to keep your information safe. Review any additional security features offered. Once you're satisfied, click on the Save or Activate button to finalize your selections. Continue to explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Make sure to regularly check your account for any alerts or updates related to security. Your account is now better protected against potential breaches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.